If you want to open the Opera browser using Command Prompt on Windows, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. This is a simple trick, but it can be really helpful if you want a faster way to launch Opera without hunting through your desktop or start menu every time. And if you find this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. First, click your Windows Start menu or simply press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open the search area on your computer. Next, type CMD into the search bar. CMD stands for Command Prompt, which is the tool we need for this method. Once you see Command Prompt appear in the search results, click on it to open the terminal window. Now you should see a black Command Prompt screen with a blinking cursor, and this is where the next step happens. Type this exact command, Start Opera. Make sure you spell it exactly as shown because this tells Windows to launch the Opera browser. After typing the command, press Enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Opera should immediately launch in a new window. If Opera is installed correctly on your Windows computer, this method should work right away. It is a very quick and efficient way to open the browser using the command line, and once you know it, you can use it anytime you want. So just to recap, open Start, search for CMD, open Command Prompt, type Start Opera, and press Enter. That's all it takes. If this helped you out, don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.